Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the video and channel so YouTube recognizes it as a short. Upload a vertical clip under 60 seconds using 9:16. That signals the Shorts player. Once done, title the file including hash shorts and keywords so discovery improves. Make sure visibility is set to public and choose a thumbnail or let YouTube pick a frame. This matters for initial impressions. Also check channel, upload, default so metadata like tags and description are consistent for every short you publish. You now refine metadata and settings to control reach and compliance. In the description, use 1 to 3 hashtags, one being hash shorts, and include a single link if needed. Concise text boosts retention. Then confirm audience settings, mark whether it's made for kids. Incorrect choice limits monetization and discoverability. Next, add tags and place the short in a relevant playlist to improve watch context. Once satisfied, either schedule or publish immediately to let YouTube's algorithm start. You finish by monitoring performance and iterating quickly based on data. Watch CTR, average view duration, and impressions in YouTube analytics. Those metrics tell you why a short succeeds or stalls. If performance is low, tweak the title, thumbnail, or re-edit the first 10 seconds to hook viewers, then re-upload as a fresh short. If a short isn't appearing in the Shorts shelf, double-check vertical format and tags, and consider a minor re-upload. Small edits often reset algorithm testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.